It will be a flagship. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Since it comes with a large 6000 mAh battery, the smartphone will be powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus. There will be an octa-core CPU with supporting a 1.5K resolution. There will be LTPO AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display and 120Hz refresh rate with 6.67 inches display screen size. There will be 12 GB of RAM and big 256 GB of storage. There will be an under-display optical fingerprint reader for phone security. Phone will run on Android 15 operating system. That's all for now and thanks for watching.